Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to dive deep into the LEGO Star Wars Millennium Falcon 25th Anniversary Collectible Model, a must-have for all Star Wars fans and LEGO enthusiasts alike. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below to get this amazing set today at the best discounted price possible. This model is perfect for adults who love a challenging build and want a stunning display piece that celebrates the legacy of Star Wars, A New Hope. So, let's get started and see what makes this LEGO set so special. First off, the build experience is truly immersive. With hundreds of pieces, this set strikes the perfect balance between challenging and enjoyable, offering an engaging experience for experienced builders. The instructions are clear, and LEGO even includes fun trivia and detailed visuals to keep you hooked as you bring this iconic ship to life. The design of the Millennium Falcon is spot on. The model captures all the classic details, from the signature saucer shape to the cockpit, sensor dish, and engine details. It's clear that LEGO put a lot of thought into making this a true collectible, not just a toy. The colors and textures are authentic, and the overall finish looks stunning. One of the highlights is definitely the included display stand and the 25th anniversary nameplate. This adds a professional touch, turning your build into a proud centerpiece in your home or office. It's compact enough to fit on a shelf but commands attention with its impressive presence. Now, a quick note, this set doesn't include any minifigures, so it's focused entirely on display and model accuracy rather than play. That makes it perfect for collectors or fans who want a beautiful piece of Star Wars history on their shelf. In summary, if you're a Star Wars fan or a LEGO collector looking for a high-quality build that's both fun and visually impressive, the LEGO Millennium Falcon 25th Anniversary Edition is a fantastic choice. It's a beautiful tribute to one of the most iconic starships in cinema and a great way to celebrate the enduring legacy of A New Hope. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. And remember, check the link below to grab your own Millennium Falcon today at the best price possible. Thanks for watching, and may the Force be with you.